pandas multi-index selection with conditionals on columns. I'm having trouble filtering on a multi-index data frame. Which looks like What I would like is to output a df where A and B have some requirement, that if both are true, then include the C column as well. For example, the output given the cuts A, 0 and B, 0 would like. To begin, I can do basic selection, df.ilit column, df.columns.get_level_values 2 equals A, 0, but not sure where to go from there.
Another option is to use stack/unstack. If we start with a df that looks like the output result will be
Use XS to select the columns and remove that level of the multi-index. C is then unchecked between the first two masks. Concat with keys to add the labels back, then subset the original data frame with this complete Boolean mask.